can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at general cryptocurrency markets today. We're having a very rough week in the cryptocurrency markets with extreme fear gripping the whole of the market. Right now, the fear and greed index says we're deep into extreme fear. Out of the value of 100, the fear and greed index is reading a value of 11. Extreme fear grips the cryptocurrency market while all coins are dumping. Bitcoin, the king of the cryptocurrency market, finally fell below the $90,000 level just about a week ago. Market participants were scared if Bitcoin would fall below $100,000. We saw it getting to as low as $89,000. The altcoin market too is still struggling, but one thing that's gripping the market, one thing that's still giving us a little hope, is Bitcoin dominance has started that decline. So we'll take a look at general cryptocurrency market news going around the cryptocurrency market. Nvidia beat earnings yesterday. Is that going to help us start pumping to new all-time highs? We'll look at liquidation in the cryptocurrency market. The meme coin market down bad right now. Total meme coin market sits at $44 billion. Are we going to see that exit pump before the end of 2025? We'll also talk about altcoin season. Is there any chance for altcoins before the end of the year, or should we pack our bags and run for the hills? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. Over the last 1 week, the altcoin market has been dumping, and it's safe to say over the last 1 month, the cryptocurrency market sentiment-wise has been in the gutter. But the reality is that Zcash is up 169%, Dash is up 83%, ICP, Telcoin, Decred, Strike, and Virtual have all seen substantial gains over the last 1 month. But sentiment-wise, the cryptocurrency market is deep in the gutter. We have seen Bitcoin dumping aggressively to gobbling town, and a lot of market participants are focusing on Bitcoin. So Bitcoin dumping translates to the rest of the market not having a good time. We saw Bitcoin topping around the 6th of October 2025. Bitcoin was trading around $126,000 then. Right now, Bitcoin trades around $92,000. We have seen it dump to as low as $89,000, which represents a 29% dump from all-time highs, which ironically is not one of the biggest crashes we have seen in Bitcoin's run-up from $15,000 to $126,000. But what has changed right now is that Bitcoin has come below its 50-week moving average, which is very, very dangerous. Historically, anytime Bitcoin does that, the bull market is over. Anytime Bitcoin comes below its 50-week moving average, get ready for a big dump to gobbling town. Now, that dump to gobbling town might not come immediately. We are not going to continue dumping straight to zero. That's not how the market works. Historically, periods of extreme fear have been good buying opportunities. In the coming days and the coming weeks, I believe we're going to see the market tilt towards greed, maybe towards extreme greed. But right now, we're seeing the altcoin market holding up better than Bitcoin. We're seeing a lot of altcoins not dumping as hard as Bitcoin. And even though there has been chaos in the cryptocurrency market over the last 1 month, we've seen a lot of altcoins outperform Bitcoin. If you look at the altcoin season index, right now we're not on an altcoin season, but over the last 90 days, we have seen Bitcoin lose around 19% of its value. A lot of altcoins are down bad. I'll not be shocked, guys, if in the coming days and coming weeks, we see talks about altcoin season flooding the TL. Right now, on a monthly basis, Bitcoin is down 15%, and more than half of the altcoins in the top 50 are performing better than Bitcoin. So watch out in the coming days and the coming weeks. Before the end of 2025, we're going to hear talks of alt season. This time is different. Market participants have been complaining about the 4-year cycle. The 4-year cycle ended on the 6th of October 2025. Historically, that should be the end of the cycle for Bitcoin. We should start our dump to gobbling town. If you look at the charts right now, everything is playing according to plan. We have had 4 years. We've had 3 years of the market pumping. We're about to experience that 1 year where we'll dump straight to gobbling town. But I still believe we're going to see that relief rally. I strongly believe we'll see Bitcoin at some point in time, the nearest future, rally above $100,000. Maybe we get to as high as $116,000. When that relief rally, I expect to see the altcoin market outperforming Bitcoin. That's why I'm paying close attention to the total crypto market cap. I'm paying close attention to Bitcoin dominance in the cryptocurrency market. Now, if you look at the total crypto market cap, sits around the $3.12 trillion level. We saw the total crypto market cap getting to as high as $4.27 trillion. In the coming days and the coming weeks, we either go straight to new all-time highs, rallying above the previous all-time highs around the $4.26 trillion level. Maybe we even get to as high as $4.5 trillion, or we see a relief rally where the altcoin market will outperform Bitcoin. But one thing is sure, I'm expecting to see outperformance from the altcoin market in the coming days and coming weeks. Now, if you look at Bitcoin dominance in the cryptocurrency market, right now, Bitcoin dominance sits at 59%. We saw Bitcoin dominance rising. Bitcoin dominance got stuck around that 61% region. But if you go and zoom out on a larger scale, Bitcoin dominance has been dumping since June of 2025, which meant since June of 2025, the altcoin market has been outperforming Bitcoin. Case in point, Zcash, Filecoin, ICP, Decred, Asta. We've seen a lot of altcoins over the last 3-4 months outperform Bitcoin. Yes, those pumps have been spotty. Yes, those pumps have been here and there, but I believe the cycle is going to end with all coins pumping aggressively. You might wonder, why am I so sure the cycle will end soon? It's because, guys, at the end of the market cycle, a lot of market participants start leaving Bitcoin, start leaving Ethereum. They have seen Bitcoin pump aggressively over the last 3 years. They have missed the boat. They are trying to get those pumps. They are trying to correct their mistake. Where do you think they'll try to make those corrections? Deep in the altcoin market, we all know the altcoins is where you could get those exponential gains. The altcoin market is very, very volatile. 20% pumps today, 30% dumps tomorrow. If you look at what has happened in the last 24 hours, we have seen Strike go up 22%. We have seen Zcash go up 14%. We have seen Dash go up 11%. And this is just regular in the altcoin market. The altcoin market is very, very volatile, so don't be shocked if in the coming days and the coming weeks, we start seeing exit pump from a lot of these altcoins in the cryptocurrency market. And when those exit pumps happening, expect to see Bitcoin dominance dumping. I've been a big believer in Bitcoin dominance getting to at least 50% in this cycle, 50% dump for Bitcoin dominance, and Bitcoin dominance dump to 50%. That will be good times for the altcoin market. We'll be singing Kumbaya, we'll be singing to the moon. We look at total crypto market cap excluding Bitcoin. You'll see that also there's always a chance for us to rally back to new all-time highs. Total crypto market cap excluding Bitcoin sits at the $1.27 trillion level. With market participants scared right now, with sentiment down in the cryptocurrency market, this is always a good time to buy, because in the nearest future, we're going to see greed return to some extent, maybe extreme greed, maybe not extreme greed, but one thing is sure, the crowd is always wrong at the extreme. So I'll not be shocked to see us setting new all-time highs on total crypto market cap excluding Bitcoin. Even if you look at total crypto market cap excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, which has gone below $1 billion, total crypto market cap excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum went from as high as $1.19 trillion. We have seen it get below that $1 trillion level. Right now it's around the $899 billion region. In the coming days and coming weeks, I will expect it to rally aggressively, maybe to new all-time highs. If we get to new all-time highs, that will be more than a 32% pump to the upside. Sentiment is down right now. Historically, that has been a good time to buy. So when sentiment go up, you can sell for some sweet profit. If you look at what has happened in the crypto fear and greed index over the last 3 months, we have gone from greed, bordering on extreme greed on the 5th of October 2025 to extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market. Such a huge swing in sentiment. Market participants are very, very emotional right now. And one thing that tells me is that we're getting very, very close to the end of the market cycle. Zcash is still near all-time highs. Zcash is still trading around $688. We have seen Zcash get to as high as $744. Dash is also still holding on strong. Don't be shocked, guys. In the coming weeks, a lot of market participants that have not bought these altcoins, a lot of market participants that have been seeding, they have been trying to short these altcoins. Don't be surprised to see them getting wrecked. We're going to see that blow off top, and the blow off top is going to come when majority of market participants have given up. And I still believe we're going to see altcoin season at some point in time, 2025. We saw a little of altcoin season in September. Hopefully before the end of the year, we see one final altcoin season, but the cycle looks like it's cooked right now. If you look at liquidation in the cryptocurrency market, over the last 24 hours, 171,000 traders have gotten liquidated. Total liquidation is coming in around $636 million. The single largest liquidation order happened on Hyperliquid. One trader lost $24.22 million. Be careful out there, guys. You don't want to get liquidated. The meta right now in the cryptocurrency market is buying all coins or trading on DEX, decentralized platforms. Be careful out there, guys. Usually, at the end of the cycle, we start seeing this kind of aggressive behavior from market participants. Three things that can wreck somebody that is smart: liquor, leverage, and ladies. You want to avoid both tree if you want to live long in the market. If you look at what Bitcoin has done in Q4, Bitcoin is down 18% in Q4, Ethereum is down 26%. And the month of November, Bitcoin has lost 15%. This is the second biggest decline for Bitcoin in the year of 2025. The biggest decline we have seen for Bitcoin was in February, where Bitcoin lost 17.39% of its value. If you look at the meme coin market, there's a lot of dumps in the meme coin market over the last 30 days. Just official Donald Trump meme coin is up 18%. If not, the top 10 meme coins in the cryptocurrency market has seen double-digit losses across the board. In the coming 30 days, I will not be shocked, guys, to see the meme coin market recover. One eye has been on the meme coin market throughout this cycle. The meme coin market dumps excessively when the market dumps, but the good news is that when we start pumping, the meme coin market is one of the top gainers. We always see the meme coin market outperform the general cryptocurrency market. If you look at the top 10, Bitcoin is still the king of the market. Bitcoin's market cap has gone below $2 trillion. Bitcoin's market cap sits at $1.8 trillion. Ethereum comes at number 2. Ethereum's market cap is still low at around $366 billion. Cardano is still holding on to the number 10 spot with a market cap of $16 billion. Hyperliquid still sits at number 11. For Zcash to enter the top 10, we need to see Zcash pull up around the 50 to 100% move from where we're currently trading. That means Zcash should trade above $1,200. Drop your thoughts in the comment section. Do you believe Zcash could give up that blow off top towards $1,300? Let's look at some news stories going on in the cryptocurrency market. Cloudflare outage shows why crypto needs end-to-end centralization. Cloudflare had some outages just 2 days ago. Half of crypto was down because half of crypto uses Cloudflare services. Bitcoin was activities on track for its biggest week this year. A lot of times, the whales are selling before the normies get out of the market. Right now, I believe the whales are heavily selling. It doesn't mean some whales are not going to be accumulating. Whales are just normal market participants like you and me. We have dumb whales. We have smart whales. Nvidia finally beats earnings. Crypto tech stock climbs on Nvidia blowout Q3 earning. Abu Dhabi Investment Council triple stakes in Bitcoin ETF. Right now, the news story is still wishy-washy, still bullish here, still bearish here. Where we're heading the nearest day and the nearest weeks, I believe we are going to pump to the moon because the sentiment is down bad. Where can we go from here? We can only go up. If we continue going down, the crowd is going to be right. And one of my mantras is the crowd is always wrong at the extreme. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. With Bitcoin down bad, with the altcoin market down bad, where are you placing your bets? Do you believe Bitcoin can rally towards $150,000, maybe $200,000, or are you placing your bets heavily in the altcoin market? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.